So if you guys want to see how I made this delicious smoked honey paprika chicken wings, just continue to watch this video and don't forget to subscribe and give me a big thumbs up. So stay tuned. Hi guys, this is Jody cooking. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making some smoked paprika honey chicken wings. Yeah, so that's my chicken wings there. It already washed, it's clean. I normally wash my chicken wings with lemon and also with some vinegar. Okay, so these are all of my seasoning. I've got 1 spoonful of paprika. I also have 1 teaspoonful of black pepper and 1 teaspoonful of onion powder, 1 teaspoonful of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, and 1 teaspoon of everyday seasoning, and 1 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, and also have some chicken seasoning. Okay, so first you just want to blend all of your seasoning together. Make sure everything is all combined. Okay, so all of my seasoning is all blend together. So first I'm gonna add some vegetable oil to my chicken wings. I'm gonna add at least 2 spoonful. Okay, because you want your chicken wings to be nice and moist, so that's the reason why I'm adding it. Okay, then I'm just gonna take my hands, and guys, you can always use a gloves, and I'm just gonna stir it all in. Okay, then also I'm gonna add some smoked paprika on my chicken wings, because this recipe is about paprika. Yeah, so I'm gonna add at least 3 spoons. So after I add my paprika, I'm just gonna take my hands and just mix it all in. Guys, just look at that color. I like the color of the chicken wings. It looks so beautiful. Trust me, it looks amazing. So now I'm just gonna add my seasoning. And guys, you're just gonna take your hands and just sprinkle your seasoning all over on your chicken wings. Okay? I haven't added any salt to my seasoning, because the reason why, the seasoning already full of so many salt, so I try to cut back on the salt. So that's the reason why you haven't seen me add any salt. Yeah, I'm flipping over my chicken wings because I'm gonna season the other part also. Normally, I will rub all that seasoning all in my chicken. So today, I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna sprinkle the seasoning on it and just leave it that way. Yeah. So guys, that's my seasoning that I left back for my honey sauce. So make sure you leave back some of your seasoning. Leave your chicken to marinate for at least 30 minutes. So now I'm gonna grill my chicken wings. So you wanna get a baking tray, and to my baking tray I add a grill on top, as you can see. And at the bottom I also add some baking paper, and I add some water because I don't want my chicken wings to dry it out. So that's the reason why I add water to it. I'm gonna lay my chicken wings all over on my grill. Just make sure it is all spaced out, okay? Then I'm gonna bake it in my oven for at least 30 minutes, 30 to 35 minutes on each side. And I'm gonna put my oven on 150 degrees Celsius. I'm so in love with the color of my chicken wings. I mean, like the smoked paprika and all the seasoning just make it have this lovely, vibrant color. I really like it, guys. Trust me. I know when it finishes, it's gonna look so, 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 so good. So I just removed my chicken wings from the oven, and that's what it look like. It's been baking for at least 35 minutes. So now I'm just gonna flip it over, and I'm gonna allow it to bake for at least another 35 minutes, okay? And guys, I just love the way it look. You can see it have this nice chalk color. It looks so, so, so good. I cannot wait for it to finish. So while my chicken wings are in the oven baking, now I'm gonna make my sauce. So here I have at least 3 to 4 spoonful of honey, and I'm gonna also add my remaining seasoning to the honey. So after adding your honey, now you're just gonna add all of your seasoning. And then when you add your seasoning, you're just gonna stir it all together, okay? So guys, just make sure everything is all combined together. So after blending your honey, now you want to get your pot, and to your pot you're gonna add at least 1 spoonful of butter, okay? So now I'm just gonna add my honey. You don't have to wait until your butter melt, because regardless it's still gonna melt. And guys, you want to make sure your stove is on a medium heat, okay? Because you don't want your honey to burn too much. So now I'm just gonna mix it all in. I'm telling you, it just looks so yummy already. I cannot wait for it to go on those delicious wings. So that's exactly how you want your sauce to be. Not too thick, just runny. Yeah, so that's perfect, guys. So now I'm just gonna add 1 spoonful of smoked paprika to my sauce. And you just wanna stir it. Just make sure everything is all combined. So guys, leave your sauce to come to a boil for at least 2 minutes and it's finished. So finally, all my chicken wings is all finished and guys, it looks so yummy. What I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna dip them in my sauce. I'm just gonna do it just like one by one, okay? This recipe, guys, is a must try. All your families, your friends is gonna enjoy this recipe. It is absolutely delicious. The wings is just nice and moist and just juicy. I'm telling you, you guys have to give this recipe a try. You won't regret it. I'm gonna put my wings back in the oven for at least 3 minutes because I want it to be nice and sticky, okay? So stay tuned. So finally guys, my smoked paprika onion chicken wings is all finished and that's what it look like. It looking so good. Guys, please share my videos to your families and to your friends and all over on your social media. I will really appreciate it. And please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe for many more videos like these. And don't forget to hit that notification button. Giving you guys a up close look to show you how delicious it look. Now I'm gonna plate it up for you guys and show you guys how it looks on the plate. So stay tuned. So now I'm just plating up my chicken wings, and guys, I did serve mine with coconut curry rice. You can have yours with mashed potato with fries, with salad, you know, whatever you preferred. You can even have it on its own. And I also make some gravy to go with the rice. Guys, I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, stay blessed. Bye.